How to find square root of 4225 by long division method. So we need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side. Okay, so this is our first pair, this is our second pair. So work on this pair 42. Here you have to take in here number whose square will be 42. Look, if you take here 7 squared equal to 49, which is greater, so 6 is correct. 6 squared equal to 36. So same digit will come to the quotient also. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract, you are getting what? You are getting 6. Bring down the next pair. Okay. Since you have placed here that it is 6 in the quotient, so same digit will come under this divisor and need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Now you have to consider here a number and you have to check. Multiply this time this. If you take here 5, look, 5, same digit will come here. 5 times this. 5 times 5, 25. Write 5, carry 2 to the next column. 5 times 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Bring down 2, carry 1 to the next column. 5 times 5, 5 plus 1, 6. 625. So our gauging digit 5 is correct. So 5 times 125, 625. Subtract 0. Since you have placed the digit 5 here, so same digit will come under this number and you need to add. So 5 plus 5, 10, write 0, carry 1 to the next column, 3, 1. The double of 65 is 130. So our answer is correct. 65 is correct. So the square root of 4225 by long division method is 65.